Today's video is about how to sew a very quick and easy box lift top from scratch without pattern. I, Mom, welcome you to my channel Momda's Life Handmade. Do subscribe for many more DIYs. I used a synthetic fabric with satin finish with borders on both sides. I folded the fabric once to match the border of one side with the other and added pins. I also added pins to the folded edge as it was very slippery fabric. Next I folded again to bring the first fold near the open edges, leaving 1 inch seam allowance. I placed an old box sleeve top on the fabric, keeping in mind seam allowance for hemline in bottom, placing neck along first fold and placing side and armhole along second fold. Next I marked and cut the fabric. This is my back and front piece. I added pins in the midline open edge. I shall sew up till middle. Upper part shall have buttons or zipper. I am using the leftover fabric to finish the neckline. I folded as much fabric as needed and placed folded neck along the edge with 1.5 inch seam allowance. I marked and cut. This is for the back. Similarly cut for the front. I make sure to add extra allowance for button and zip edges. This is for finishing the neckline. This is the back piece joint in the center. Now I place the front piece over it, making sure that the right side of back faces the right side of front. We are looking at the wrong sides of the fabric now. I added pins to the shoulder and sewed them. Now taking the fabric pieces I cut earlier, I shall finish the neckline. Next I shall sew the sides. Lastly I shall hem the armholes and bottom. Flaunt the top with skirt or jeans. Visit my blog at momdaslifehandmade.netlify.com for printables and more details, and do subscribe to my channel for more DIY videos.